some common errors in mathematics, which is the main reason of losing marks and you get disappointed. In this section, we will look on the particular topic. There are two types of errors that a student may commit. First one is conceptual errors and second one is procedural errors. Knowledge is not transferable. It is constructed through one's experience. Now the first one, conceptual errors. Conceptual knowledge includes the decision regarding which procedure is to be applied. Following are conceptual errors that students often commit. We know that 0 by 2 equal to 0, but students often say 2 by 0 equal to 0. Remember that division by 0 is not defined. Let us take an example of absurd result that we may arrive if we divide by 0. Consider an algebraic identity x square minus y square, which is equal to x plus y multiplied by x minus y. Put x is equal to y, then see what happened. X square minus x square is equal to x plus x into x minus x. On taking x common, x multiplied by x minus x is equal to x plus x into x minus x. On cancelling x minus x, both sides we have x equal to 2x. We have managed to prove 1 equal to 2. This is clear and absurd result. We have made some mistake somewhere. We have divided both sides of equation by x minus x, which is actually 0. So we cannot divide by 0. Since 2 multiplied by a plus b is equal to 2a plus 2b, students get an impression that everything works like this. Here are some cases when it does not work. For example, a plus b whole square. Students often write a square plus b square, but the correct form is a square plus b square plus 2ab. Again, root over a plus b, students write as root a plus root b, but the correct form is not equal to root a plus root b. Again, we are taking root under a square plus b square. They write as root under a square plus root under b square, which is equal to a plus b. Root over a square plus b square is not equal to root over a square plus root over b square. Again, the incorrect form is 1 by a plus b is equal to 1 by a plus 1 by b. Students often do this mistake, which is never equal to 1 by a plus 1 by b. For the case of sine of x plus y, students often write sine x plus sine y, which is never equal to sine x plus sine y. It is equal to sine x into cos y plus sine x plus sine y into cos x. Improper use of square root. Students seem to be under misconception that root 4 is equal to plus minus 2. This is not correct. The symbol radical stands for non-negative square root. So the correct value of root 4 is 2. If we want minus 2 as the square root of, we write minus root 4 is equal to minus 2. Improper use of power of trigonometric function. Sin x whole to the power n is not equal to sin x to the power n. Sin x power of whole n is equal to sin to the power n x. Incorrect use of trigonometric result. Cos 85 degrees is equal to sin 90 degree minus 5 degree is equal to sin 5 degree, which is incorrect. Cos 85 degree is equal to cos 90 minus 5 degree is equal to sin 5 degree, or cos 85 degree is equal to sin 90 minus 85 degree equal to sin 5 degree, which is correct. Now, procedural errors. Procedural knowledge means knowledge regarding how to do something. Rectification of procedural errors requires practice and feedback. Here are some procedural errors that the students commit. Many a time, students decide that parentheses are not needed at certain steps. They fail the importance of parentheses. Square of 3x is 9x square, not 3x square. Square of minus 2 is 4, not minus 4. x minus 1 by 2 minus 2x plus 3 by 3 equal to 1 by 5. Here we do mistakes in unseen parenthesis. In changing the sign, here the blinking line shows the mistake, which is incorrect, and the correct one is here. In improper distribution, here the question is 3 multiplied by 2x square minus 6. But students usually do 3 multiplied by 2x square minus 6 is equal to 6x square minus 6, which is incorrect. The correct form is 3 multiplied by 2x square minus 6 is 6x square minus 18. Now in next example, 2 multiplied by 3x minus 5x whole square, students commit mistakes as 36x square minus 120x plus 100, but the correct form is 18x square minus 60x plus 50. Again, in improper distribution, students usually distribute as 2x to the power 4 minus x by x is equal to 2x cube minus x, but the correct form is 2x cube. Again, 3x square is equal to x. We have to solve for it. In the first case, the student got x is equal to 1 by 3, and in second case, x is equal to 0 and x is equal to 1 by 3. Always remember that as the degree is 2, so the number of solution will also be 2. The following is a mistake largely on the part of authors, and the mistake is carried over to the students. Area of rectangle having length and breadth 6 cm and 5 cm respectively. The students got the answer 6 into 5 30 cm square. But the correct is 6 cm into 5 cm equal to 30 cm square.